As you know, I got into the business because woodworking and metalworking were hobbies of mine, and eventually I was able to afford a very nice shop of mine. And I like doing projects for the family. This is something for my daughter, and I've made many little nice things that are in and around the home. So my daughter is a really good pickleball player, and she's been winning a lot of tournaments and has won several gold medals and a couple of silvers, and asked me to make a medal holder for her. So I decided to make this medal holder out of Bubinga. And basically what I'm going to do is unfinished right now. I'm going to do a inlay. I picked a very nice piece of curly maple, and I'll cut out the name that will be inlaid in here, and then I'll finish it with oil. So that's what this project is. This will last her forever. I mean, she'll outgrow the medals, number of medals. She'll probably have to get rid of all the silver medals and just have gold medals in here.